Hi! Today we're going to learn how to make multiple cakes at the same time. So let's get started. You need to have all the things ready. You need to have your turntable, the sticker, your pad, and you gotta keep all your cake boards ready. So right now we're gonna make like 5 cakes all at once. Take your piping bag. You need your cake spatula and your offset spatula. Fill up your piping bag and keep it ready. Inch and a half. Okay, so you start with the base. You put it on all 5 of your boards all at once. And of course you put your gloves on. The audio might not match the video for a while because I don't know, it didn't record any sound. So we have 5 cake boards. We have all the cake rounds ready. So you put the first cake round on all 5 of them. Please make sure that you have enough time to do this so that all your cakes don't start thawing. If your speed is a little slow, you can start with 2 or 3 cakes at a time. Don't rush into anything. The cakes need to be frozen so that this process is easier. So I'm just putting it one by one on all of them. Make sure the edges are if any of the cakes are overflowing over the edge, please break it off, otherwise the cake is going to show from when you're frosting it. Okay, I have all of my boards ready. So now what you're going to do is you're going to make the border, fill it up. Same thing, make the border, fill it up. Okay, once you have all of this, just smoothen it. Okay, smoothen all of them. Okay, next you're gonna put the tops on all of them. Center it and put it properly. The tops on all of them. So this is what it's gonna look like. You have all 5 cakes same to same. Now we'll start decorating them one by one. What is it, Johnny? Use the same technique, the 3 layers on top. Finish the sides. Once you're done decorating all of them, then we do the top vanilla roses. Whatever decoration you're going to do on the top, do it on all of them together. Finished all of that. It's gonna look. Then you're gonna chop all the Oreos. So every cake needs 4 Oreos, and you have 5 cakes, so you need total 20 Oreos cut into halves. You can do this beforehand so that you don't have to waste time, and you can directly move on to the next step. The Oreos, you can start putting them on all the cakes. Okay. So that's it. That's all the cakes. Now the last step. The last step is putting the crumbs on the bottom. Keep this for the last because it gets really messy. The gloves get dirty, and you can keep it for the last because now the whole thing is decorated anyway. And you don't need to touch anything else, it's just the cakes. One. Extra, collect everything, put it back in the container. Okay, or you can use a separate table for depends on how much space you have and stuff.